Welcome to the next part of candlestick patterns testing. In this part I will show you another hammer with normal body. General idea of hammer stays the same, regardless of the body, because lower wick must be always longer than body. Only difference between short hammer and now normal is at the body. Before we had bodies lower than 20% of average, so that means that body is between 20% and 50% of past 100 candles average value. And here is the whole picture of this pattern structure. Low and high wick stays same as before. And body will also be just bearish. Primary tests were not successful enough to do deep testing for bullish. Trading scenario is almost the same as for short hammer, except for entry, which is buy and just buy without any sell. Time for showing you this in practice. First we can set market buy. Then outer size 1 for stop loss. And this time I will show you take profit 3 instead of 1, so we will test 1 to 3 risk to reward ratio. Because of one candle pattern we need just signal 1. And since we have signal 1, we need candle 1 activated and also average of past 100 candlesticks. For this pattern, our only direction is bullish. I decided so, as other options had worse results. And finally, candle structure. Body should be between 20% and 50% of the average. Upper wick is less than 50%. And lower wick greater than 200% of the body value. This pattern is more rare than short hammer, so to get at least around 100 samples, I will test it in 4-year period. Oh my god. Let me just show one example of this pattern. It's nice example of hammer. You can also see take profit 3 and stop loss 1 of the outer size. Time for results. First number we want to know is number of trades, and there are 106 trades. Next is number of win trades, which stands at 35 wins, and that means 33% of total trades. So if I put this into table, it looks like this. And to add chart, but you can see there is also column for 1-1 risk-reward ratio, so let's look what results I got there. It is around 10 percentage points lower than as 1 to 3. What about other major pairs? Well, let's take a look. From all pairs, EUR/USD is the winner. Beside 1 hour time frame, I also tested 5 minutes. And here is AUD/USD with best result, although by tiny bit. As you saw, EUR/USD and AUD/USD had the best result, so I took them for deeper test. First I will show you EUR/USD with 1 hour time frame. Now I extended testing from 4 to 10 years. Previous old results with around 100 example trades you already know, but deeper tests with 300 trade examples shows worse win percentage. For me, this means that profitability rate is in reality closer to 100 than 130% of investment. Sadly, it's even worse on lower time frame. To make it better, to add filters for custom support and resistance and trends, please support me that I can upgrade this. Thank you for watching.